Hello guys, welcome to Deeper Dive. I'm Raghavendra. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about types of accounting. Actually, one of my friends asked me to make a video on this topic. You can also drop your doubts and the topic names in the comment box on which you want me to explain. So, without wasting time, let's get into the topic. First of all, we'll understand what is this accounting is. Accounting is a process of recording, classifying, and summarizing the monetary transactions of a business concern and communicating the results to the various parties. Suppose if a person is from investor, he has to get the information related to financial accounting. Suppose if a person is from government tax department, he has to get the information of tax accounting. So that's all about the accounting is. And types of accounting. We have a number of types of accounting, and in this video I'm going to cover the main three types of accounting. One is financial accounting, management accounting, and cost accounting. First we'll discuss what is this financial accounting is. Financial accounting is an art of recording, classifying, and summarizing the financial information of a business and communicating the results to the outsiders to know an overall performance of a business during a particular financial year. And one more thing, guys, financial management is different again. uh, how to procure the fund, at what rate we have to procure the fund, how to utilize the funds, all these things we'll learn in financial management. But in financial accounting, we just only record the financial transactions and reporting those results to the outsiders to know an overall performance of a company during a particular financial year. So that's all about the financial accounting, guys. And next is management accounting. Any accounting which helps the manager to take a decision which helps to improve the profitability of the business. He can use information from cost accounting, financial accounting, and tax accounting, and any type of accounting. Bit confused, right? I want to put this in an example. Suppose there is a manager who has three options to increase the profitability of the business. He's a bit confused which one he has to opt. So the three options are introduce the new product, increase the existing product production, third one to remove one product from the product line. So these are the three options to increase the profitability of the business. So now the manager will collect the necessary data, necessary information from different types of accounting, and he'll start evaluating the results of each option and select the best one which meets the company's requirement. So that's about management accounting. And one more thing, guys, management accounting is not confined to the production department only. Means, for example, if a manager has two options. One is to cut down the salaries of underperforming departments, or the second option is to reduce the employment. So he has two options. So again, the manager will evaluate the results of these two options and select the best one which helps the company to increase its profitability. So by this we can conclude that management accounting is dealing with quantitative data as well as quantitative data, qualitative and quantitative data. So that's all about the management accounting, guys. Now the cost accounting. So cost accounting is is a minute topic, is a small topic from management accounting. So in this cost accounting, it records all the cost incurred in each production process, of product or a service. So I want to link this example with the previous example which I took in management accounting. So there are three options again: introduce the new product, introduce the existing product production, and remove one product from the product line. So these are the three options. So this cost accounting will evaluate the results of these three options by recording all the cost incurred in each of these three options, and it will provide the information to the manager to take the better decision which helps to improve the profitability of the business. So that's about the cost accounting, guys, and it only deals with quantitative data. So that's all about the video, guys. I hope this video has helped you. If it helped you, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. And that's all, guys. See you in the next video with the new topic. Thank you.